Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training. Today we'll be doing a low impact leg day burnout. That's right, we're working out our glutes, our thighs, our hamstrings, our calves, our ankles, all of it. It's gonna be awesome. Also gonna mainly be standing. You don't have to worry about getting down on the ground or anything like that. It's gonna be fun, so come on with me. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for popping in and saying hello and doing this workout with us. And if you've been around for a while, welcome back. We're so glad to see you. But you know what would mean the world to us? If you click that subscribe button, it just lets us know that you like the stuff that you see, you enjoy these workouts and you want more of it. And it just makes us feel good, you know? As always, we're gonna be doing 2 sets with this leg day workout. We're gonna be doing that first set, which is gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, while that second set will be more of a complete run through of everything, less talking, more doing. So without further ado, let's start with our first exercise. All right, we're gonna be starting with some stationary lunges, which basically means you don't have to worry about jumping. Like I said, this is gonna be low impact. Now with a lunge, you can start putting one leg back, or you can start with bringing one leg forward. It all depends on your comfortability level or your stability, things like that. So move according to your body. I typically like to step back into it, but we're just gonna wanna stand tall, and all we're doing is stepping back with one leg. The goal is to find ourselves in a 90-degree angle. Sometimes our legs are a little longer or whatever, so just go again to your body type. The goal is just to get into a 90-degree angle with your first leg, back leg like this. You don't actually have to touch the ground. You can have, like if you have a counter or a chair or something like that, even this, you can brace and hold on to this to get rid of some of your body weight to be able to lower into these different positions. But we're just doing a standard lunge, stationary lunge, nothing too crazy, but lunges are great for working out your thighs, really getting flexion in your knees. And again, having something to hold on really helps to ease into these exercises. But that's all we're gonna do is alternating back and forth. We got 30 seconds on our timer. Let's get started. So like I said, just step back into it and right back up. Try to focus on keeping your back flat and straight up. Try not to like bend over or do anything crazy. All we need to do is really just ease into it, just like that. These are great also for working out, building a foundation, making sure you're being stable, and by alternating, just gives your brain something else to work on. It's almost like a puzzle. We got a couple more seconds. Let's do one more on this side. And we're done. Great job. That was our first exercise. Let's move on to the second one. Next, we have a body weight squat. Now, squats, I know they're annoying sometimes, but they are one of the best exercises that really work out your whole lower body because it works out your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your butt, all of it. So what you're gonna wanna do, how I prefer to squat, is feet a little past shoulder width apart. And I kind of point them out slightly. Some people feel more comfortable doing like this. Some people prefer more straight on. Again, do whatever is best for your knees and your joints and all that stuff, but just slightly out. The goal is you want your knee to be stacked above your ankle. You don't want, when you're going down, you don't want your knees to bend in or flare out too much. We really just wanna make sure we have like a clean line going straight down. So all we're doing is trying to get down. You can put your hands out or your hands to your side or here, wherever you feel comfortable. I like to have them out here a little bit, helps me balance. And we wanna get, same thing with the lunges, to 90 degrees if we can. If you're a little more flexible, you can most likely get a little below. If you can't, right here is good too. It's all about moving at our own pace. Another great progression is if you have a chair or maybe some sort of stool or some sort of counter or whatever, just being able to like sit down into it and gut, but kind of like take some of your body weight off of your joints and allows you that rest time as you go up and down. So we're gonna do 30 seconds of just some body weight squats. Again, go at your own pace, and here we go. And begin. Here we go, and boom. Just like that. Try to sit back. We don't want our back to be rounded. It's almost as if we're just trying to keep your butt down. Try to keep your knees without passing your toes if you can. Sometimes, if you're a little more flexible, you can because of your ankle flexion, which is completely fine. Here we go, couple more. 3, and 1 more, and done. We are halfway there. We are killing this workout. Next, we have some standing hamstring curls. This guy right here, this is what we're trying to work out. All we're doing, it's almost like a butt kick where you're bringing your heel back, but all we're really focusing on is squeezing this portion here, bring it right back down, just like that. And if you stand up straight and tall, you can either put your hands on your quads or thighs here and just like squeeze. That's all we're really trying to do. And with mind-body connection, if you really focus on squeezing this part, you're gonna feel it, especially after a few reps. So 30 seconds again, on the clock, go at your own pace, and here we go. Here we go. Bring that heel up, focus on squeezing. And again, the cool thing about this workout is by alternating and doing all these things, we're building our stability. And if you can't balance, feel free to grab a wall or chair, you know what I mean. Hold on to something, a couple more seconds, but try to again, stand tall, proud chest. Just really focus on curling to feel that hamstring squeeze. Let's do 1 more each side, and done. Great job. Last but not least of this first set, we are doing calf raises. Now, the thing is, your ankles, your calves are usually forgotten when it comes to working out, but you gotta think, these bad boys have to hold your whole body upright. So a lot of times when we do these types of exercises, if we are not stretching or working out our calves, they can get very fatigued and tired and tight. So this is just a way to really just loosen them up, but also build up those muscles so that they can help you with your mobility, your flexibility, all that kind of stuff. So all we're gonna be doing is you can either do both calf raises at the same time, or you can do one leg after the other. I'll show both at the same time. All we're doing is trying to stand up tall, and we're gonna go up onto the ball of our feet. And as we do so, we're really focusing on trying to heighten everything, and really, again, mind-body connection. Instead of focusing, as we did here with the squeeze of the hamstring, focus on the squeeze of the calf muscles right here. So as we go up tall, we really wanna be on the balls of our feet like this. And again, if you don't have that stability down, no worries. You can hold onto a wall, hold onto a chair, something like that. But the goal of this is we really wanna focus on that squeeze. Now, a lot of times you can use, like, if you're in the gym, right, you wanna use weights and things like that. But that's a beautiful thing about this. You can work these out with just yourself. You can do these seated wherever you are. So again, all we're really doing is getting up onto the ball of our feet and really just focusing on that squeeze, just like that. You can do one at a time if you prefer. You don't really have your stability down. Just kind of put one foot in front, and all we're doing, because most of your weight will be on this back leg, and all we're doing again is raising onto the ball of our foot. We want to focus on that squeeze, just like that. You do the other one. And again, exercises like these are great for working your ankle joints, your calves, and just helps you overall with your fitness journey. So here we go, 30 seconds. Enough explaining, you understand what I'm talking about. Here we go, get yourself in position, and let's do some calf raises. Just like that. Go here. Really focus on that squeeze. There it is. Let's do one at a time. Really squeeze. This side. Really be intentional about your movements, and you can slow it down and it will work just as well. Let's do one more each side, and done. Great job, give yourself one of these, but we aren't done yet. That was only our first set. We're gonna get started with that second set shortly. So grab some water, take a deep breath if you need so. We are gonna go right into all these exercises, so get ready, because we're starting soon. Alrighty, let's get started with our second set. You know the drill, you know what to do. Let's do it, starting with our stationary lunges. 30 seconds on the clock and begin. Go. Got 3 more seconds. Let's do one more. And done. Next, we got the body weight squats. Get yourself in position and let's go. More seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Third exercise coming up. Let's go. Standing hamstring curls. Again, mind-body connection. Focus on that squeeze. Here we go. 30 seconds and begin. Here it is. Seconds. 3, 2, and 1 more. Here we go. Squeeze, squeeze, and done. Alrighty, last exercise, calf raises. Shake out those legs. Bounce a little. We're doing it in 3, 2, and 1. Let's get up on those heels, baby. Stretch those calves. Squeeze them. Couple more. 3, got 2, and last one. Hold, hold, hold. See how long you can hold it, and release. Great job. Give yourself one of these for real this time, and one of these. That was it. That was your low impact leg day burnout. I don't know if your legs are on fire, but mine are. And if you want, you can do another round of these, whatever you feel comfortable with. Again, these are great because it's low impact. You can do it anywhere. You can do this seated at the office, in the pool, wherever you are. And if you like videos like this, make sure you click that notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. Without further ado, I'm Coach Greg, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.